Well guys, I've given it a good tester. Works like a dream. I've took all these bits off so far, depopulating the boards. Obviously it works well. Got some massive IC chips. Got some more extruded aluminium. Quite a few ceramic capacitors, which are worth the most money on the board then. Are called monolithic ceramic capacitors, and that is worth the most on all the boards, for the precious metals. Also these, full of palladium and silver, full of silver. Got a few bits of gold here. But anyway, it's working very well. Anyway, just a little update there.